recently I was working on a travel app with my friend Jin back there, and the main purpose of this website is to show people this tourist company. So I'll show you guys real quick. Yeah, this is our site right now. It's mainly for Chinese tourists, of course, as you can see, and there are a lot of content needs to be managed in the backend, and so I was looking for a way for Jin to update content, create new trip easily. So I found this gem called ActiveAdmin. What is ActiveAdmin? It is a backend admin UI framework. And why do I use it? Because it has a beautiful admin user interface, and it's very simple to implement, and also very customizable. Okay, here's how do you set it up with rules for. You just put this code, put this gem in your gem file and run bundle. And then after that you can do roles g ActiveAdmin install. This will create a directory under app called admin. And to add a model to this admin, you just do roles g ActiveAdmin resource and your model name, and you will create a file with the model name in the admin folder. Okay. So there are a lot of things that you can talk about for this gem, but I think I just want to talk about this customizing form with nested resource, because it's very common to have a one-to-many relationship in your database. So you want to find a way to attach something to a model. Okay, so the first thing you will do is you need to remove the filter. So you need to add the first one here to your file that you created, new file you just created, and then you have to allow it to update the attributes for this model. And here's how you do it in detail. So I have a trip, and then I have another model called trip detail that tells the detailed destination under this trip. So let's say I'm going to Los Angeles, and then I want to visit Disneyland, visit Hollywood. So you will have Los Angeles as the trip, then you will have two details. One is Disney World and Disneyland and Hollywood. So to add a form to this admin interface, you can write some code and show up here. So for each attribute, you just add the input and the attribute name. And here's where the nested resource goes. And you just say app has many trip details, and then for each attribute under trip detail, you just use them. You just put them there. And one thing I had trouble with is after I create this form, when I add some trip detail into trip, I have trouble to update the record. Every time when I add a trip detail here, these are trip details, and when I submit the form, it will just create a new one instead of updating the old one. So I had trouble with that, and I searched online. I couldn't find a lot of information about it. And well, then I find the problem in the trip model. Basically, when you good. So when you have a set nested attributes for and your model name, you create this method, you generate this method here. So I end up override this method so then it does the update and also destroy. I don't know if this is the right way, but it works. So if anyone can know other way, then I'll be happy to learn that. Alright, okay, so I think I just want to show the interface. So after every time you create you create a new model, you will just add on top of this bar here. So right now I already have destination, pictures and trips. Under trips, I can add a new trip detail under trip. Just have to go to edit trip, and then create this add new trip detail. So this will pop up, and then you can select one of the destination exists in the destination table. Say Grand Canyon, and you can specify order and before, and then you can update it. So this updates this inserts a new record and also updates the old one if you made any change. So I had some problem with my local database, I think. So my app broke when I showing the trip detail. But this is the front page. Let's see. So these are the 5 destinations. I want to create a new destination. There we go. So this destination just gets created. So it's very easy to use, and I learned a lot about it. That's all I have.
Questions?
Questions? Yes.
Does it just make all the attributes available for editing, or did you have to enumerate which ones?
Well, in real score, you have to add your attribute. Then you want to enable to edit in this in here. So then, otherwise you won't allow it. Yeah. And oh yeah, so you also have to use your nested attributes here.
Does it have read-only attributes or something like that?
Attributes. What do you mean, like you want to define?
You just want to show the administrator it, but you don't want them to edit it, for example.
You can limit the resources that it'll show the user. You can also hook in something like CanCan or whatever the new one is. And actually have responsibilities.